Hello friends, welcome to Python tutorial. This is our first tutorial of the Python language. Let's start with the introduction of Python. First part of the introduction, which is history of the Python. Guido van Rossum, the creator of Python language. Python was conceived in the late 1980s and its implementation was started in December 1989 by Guido van Rossum at CWI in the Netherlands as a successor to the ABC language itself, inspired by SCDL, capable of exception handling and interfacing with the ARM operating system. Different versions of Python language like Python 2.0, Python 3.0, Python 2.6, Python 2.7 and many more. Python has been awarded a TIOBE Programming Language of the Year award twice, 2007-2010, which is given to the language with the greatest growth in popularity over the course of a year as measured by the TIOB index. Now friends, we see the features of Python language. There are many features of Python. It is a multi-paradigm programming language. It is also object-oriented programming, structured programming, functional programming, aspect-oriented programming, and dynamic name resolution. It is also called a late binding, which binds a method and variable names during program execution. Map, reduce, and filter functions, comparisons for lists, dictionaries, and sets, as well as generator expression. Now we see how to open the Python 2.7. This is the path for open the Python 2.7. Now we see practically how to open the Python 2.7. First of all, go into Start menu and select on all programs, and then select the Python 2.7 and select Ideal Python GUI, and we have the screen of Python shell on our main window. We will learn about the basic of Python. Python is a dynamic language. Here we have installed Python 2.7.3 in our Windows machine. Let's write a hello world program in Python, which is way more easy than writing it in any other programming language. All have to do type print, then double quoted and write hello world, and then complete the double quoted and press enter. There we see hello world is print on the screen. Thank you friends.